Grandmother Bridget loves her house in Germany. Her parents built the house before she was born. It was a small house, and it had one kitchen, one big bedroom, and one very small bedroom. When Grandmother Bridget was little, she slept in the very small bedroom, and her parents slept in the big bedroom. When she grew up and got married, she and her husband didn't have enough money to buy their own house, so they stayed in the big bedroom, and her parents moved into the small bedroom. Then Bridget became a mother with 2 children. Now there were 4 people in the big bedroom. Her parents, who were now grandparents, still lived in the small bedroom. There was barely enough room for everyone to fit inside the little house. 3 years passed. Everyone thought it was time to build a bigger house. So 2 more bedrooms were added to the house. The little house became a larger house. Even though the house was bigger, the rooms quickly filled up. 2 more children were born. As the children grew older, the family needed more space. So they removed the roof from the house and built a comfortable loft where the children could sleep in the space between the ceiling and the new roof. Everyone liked the new roof. The builders promised the roof would last for many, many years. 20 years passed, and the house saw many changes. The 4 children grew up and moved into their own homes. Bridget grew older and became a grandmother. The house grew old and needed a new roof. The hot sun caused cracks to form in the roof. When it rained or snowed, the water leaked into the house. Grandmother Bridget desperately needed a new roof. She found out that a new roof would cost a lot of money. Around that time, Grandmother Bridget heard about a wonderful mission project at church. Money was being collected to tell people in another country that Jesus is coming soon. Grandmother Bridget wanted to give money to the mission project, but, she thought, I cannot give any money because we need a new roof. She needed to save money to buy the new roof. Still, Grandmother Bridget wanted to give money to the mission project. She thought, God will give me a new roof, even if I give my money to the mission project. She gave her money to the mission project. A few days later, a letter arrived from the German government. Because Grandmother Bridget had retired and no longer worked, the government sent money every month to help her buy food and other important things. But this was an unexpected letter. Grandmother Bridget opened the letter and read, "We just found out that we have to give you this additional payment." Inside the letter was the exact amount of money that she needed for the new roof. Grandmother Bridget was so happy. She loves her house in Germany, and now she can live in it for many more years. The money was a miracle, Grandmother Bridget says. I thank God for it. Thank you for your 13th Sabbath offering that went for a mission project in Grandmother Bridget's homeland of Germany in 2020. Germany has sent many Seventh-day Adventist missionaries around the world, and the offering will help send even more by renovating the main building at an Adventist academy, a place where new missionaries are trained in Darmstadt, Germany.